Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is another 18 by 24 inch canvas. It's my last for the moment. It's an Artist Loft canvas. It's 2 or 3 times primed, but I'm going to use some titanium white and then some other colors and lay down a base, hopefully, that I can scrape through. I figure if I put the white down now and it dries, then if I put colors over it, I can expose the white afterwards. And since I always say, or lately I've been saying, it doesn't matter how I start, I just need to get some paint on the canvas. Now I've been hearing the call to Midnight Shadow, which I actually did pull out. And I'm going to use it with a few other things. I think Frozen. That'll be a good start. Oh, I want Perfect Indigo too. We'll see how far that goes. I really want a purple. I've got Snapdragon. Why don't I just go for it? I've got so many beautiful colors, it's really hard to choose sometimes. I've got all the paint off my spatula, for the most part. Might as well just spread it out. I suspect this is going to be a stage 1 because it's right before dinner and I don't have really enough time to do what I want to do. I want purple there. This is Amethyst with Eggplant, purely pigment. And I am going to use it with a little bit of Whispering Wisteria. Whatever I can get out. And another color, what is it going to be? Red Violet. Which is pretty similar but not identical. That makes me want Tickled Pink, which will be coming up next. This is definitely going to be layers, because I'm thinning out the colors enough so that they'll dry quickly. Not that it makes a difference, because I'm not going to be able to finish today, I don't think. Okay, I'm going to grab some Whispering Wisteria, if I can. I keep forgetting what I say I'm going to use. This is a Modern Masters Mystical Mystique. Tickled Pink, now I remember. Huh. Which is right here. Wanted to do yellow and blue, I don't know what happened to that plan, it just sort of disappeared. I want some Rhapsody Rose. I might want some pink with it. And I've got Ginger Flower and Dancing Fuchsia. I still want yellow, so at some point in time I'm going to have to come back in and add white. Kind of want some silver too. What color's going in there? I think Perfect Indigo. Use my residuals somewhere else. So far so good. I'm liking this. I kind of wish I had some turquoisey. I'm thinking Royal Sapphire. That might work. Now I'm going to put some Dancing Fuchsia down because I can't stand the idea of not knowing what it would look like if I tried some. I've got a lot of paint on my spatula, which I don't want to waste because it's all beautiful. I want some more blue or black or something. Maybe Snapdragon. Looks like I could carve some paint away right now. I guess Perfect Indigo is going to work also. Alright, it's almost time to decide to pull out some other tools, assuming I have enough time left to do so. I got 7 minutes, that's good. I could do a lot in 7 minutes maybe. Kind of want that yellow though. So I'm going to try it with a clean spatula. Not unhappy I did that a bit. Kind of want some orange now. Got pink carnation too. Helps if you don't run your fingernail into the painting. Yeah, I want more tickled pink. Not sure that was the right direction to put it in, but take care of that right now. I want a little more red violet. Throw that in the bucket. For my texture tool, I think it's going to be the larger tooth size. This is the art resin tool. I'm going to grab the smaller tool also. Well, decorating tool. Kind of liked it before I did this. I kind of want to take my spatula and smooth over some things and see what happens when I do that. But I have fun with these tools. I recommend trying them. Or making up something that works similarly. I like cross-hatching them. It's hard to stop once you start. I need a fresh spatula if I'm going to do anything now. I really like, there's the frosted berry. So this is a section that I'm not as thrilled with as some of the others, so it's a good place to experiment. Probably going to go until I run out of time. Snapdragon. Still want some silver. But the white will work the same way if I want to do that. Oh, there's the Venetian blue I didn't try yet. So this is the painting that I did that's dry. couple days later. And what I'm going to do is take a container and put a bunch of these colors I've chosen that I will mention at the time. And that's probably going to be the longest part of this process, because this is a companion piece to the other painting I did. I also want to use longer dabs. I might even use the side without any teeth on it, but I want to definitely be able to fit that in here, pick up the colors sideways. So that's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to start with red violet, add a little Whispering Wisteria. Wait a minute, that's Periwinkle, sorry. This is a little more paint than I used the other day. This is Tickled Pink, not open enough. Orange Crush. After I get my colors down, there's a good chance I'm going to fast forward through everything. This is my own custom mix of yellow orange. This is Perfect Indigo. I called this cerulean blue the other day, but it's actually frozen. Now I've got red, orange, and Mystical Mystique left. And I hope I'm doing the right thing. I also wanted to use some white pearl, but I'm not sure that's going to happen yet. I could just put some separately down below. That's a good idea. Let's do that. I might want a bunch of that. Wilton Cake Decorating Tool. I've got a few of these. And this is an art resin tool. And I don't want to put my tools right there. And off we go to the races. Make sure that that can swivel all the way around. I'm going to try my little tool first. Well, that didn't work, so now I'm going to just use the edge that doesn't have any teeth in it. That was fun. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire an artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.